My dear viewers and learners, welcome, namaskar. Beginners English to class 2, lesson 1, page nong 18, 6a. My dear children, here it is given, let's listen to a story. Tamane tomaloke hadutu hunibasun. The crow and the peacock feathers. The crow mane kaori, peacock mane moyur ba mora sorai, feathers mane pakhi, mora sorai pakhi. Ei pakhi bile. This one. More bor dhuniya noy baru. Let us now read the story. Once upon a time, there lived a flock of crows. Once upon a time mane kono ek homoyot there lived a flock of crows. Mane edol baizak kaori bohwa korisil. They lived in a big tree in a forest. E kaori bila kot bohwa korisile big tree mane dangor gosor. Forest mane bonot ba jongolot. Tar mane kaori bure jongolor bitorot eta dangor gosot bohobak korisil. They were happy. Kaori bilak bor anondito asil, khub huki asil. Happy mane huki. One day, edinakhon two peacocks, duta moyur came near the tree. Hey gosor usot kakhot aisil. Near mane kakhot. They dance. Hey mora sorai bilake ba moyur bilake kise dance mane nritto korile. Near the tree gosor usot nasisile. Their tail feathers were long and colorful. Hiyotor jitu pussot jitu feathers ase, feathers mane pakhi ase ebul bor dighol, long mane dighol aru colorful, rongin. My dear children, let us read the paragraph again. Once upon a time, there lived a flock of crows. They lived in a big tree in a forest. They were happy. One day, two peacocks came near the tree. They danced near the tree. Their tail feathers were long and colorful. One of the crows thought, tamane hei kaori bilakor ejone bhabisil, thought mane chinta korisil. The peacocks have such beautiful feathers. Peacock boror moyur bilakor bo dhuniya, beautiful mane dhuniya ki ase, pakhi ase. I wish I had colorful feathers too. Ei kaori bhabise je mor jodi ene dhoroner dhuniya, colorful, rongin, rong birongor pakhi thakileten. The crow felt sad. Ei kotha bhabi kaori jone kile bor duk lagil about his short black feathers. Ki karon duk lagil karon hiyotor ki ase short mane khub chuti chuti ki ase black color mane kola feathers ase. Feathers mane pakhi ase. Ta mane kaori jone bhabise je mor to kola rongor horu horu pakhi. Hebur hebabe kaori jone duk lagisil. Let us read the paragraph again. One of the crows thought, the peacocks have such beautiful feathers. I wish I had colorful feathers too. The crow felt sad about his short black feathers. Now, page 19. Let us read. A few days later, Kedinman pisot, the crow saw some peacock feathers. Crow, hey, kaori jone ki dekhisil? So mane dekhisil some kisuman peacock feathers mane moyuror pakhi. They were lying on the ground near the tree. Hebur kot pori asile? Matit pori asile. Near the tree. Gosor usorot, near mane usorot, gosor usorot matit pori asil. Ki pori asil? Moyuror kisuman pakhi. দেখিছে না পড়ি আসলে দেখিছে he picked them up with his beak. কি কৰিলে এইবিলাক পিক তুলি ল'লে. Then he fixed the feathers to his wings and tail. তাৰপিছত কি কৰিলে এইবিলাক লগাই ল'লে. ক'ত লগালে? wings, তাৰ ডেউকাত আৰু পুচ্ছত লগাই ল'লে, নেজত লগাই ল'লে. Dear children, let us read the paragraph again. A few days later, the crow saw some peacock feathers. They were lying on the ground near the tree. He picked them up with his beak. Then he fixed the feathers to his wings and tail. Now, he also put a few feathers on his head. এই কাউৰীজনে কি কৰিলে? কিছুমান পাখি মানে ময়ূৰৰ পাখি যিবিলাক পাইছিলে এইবিলাক কি কৰিলে? মূৰতো লগালে. হেড মানে মূৰত. He thought, he ভাবিছিল, he looked like a peacock. He ভাবিছিল যে মইতো এতিয়া কি হৈ গ'লো? পিকক হৈ গ'লো. পিকক মানে ময়ূৰ হৈ গ'লো. Then তাৰপিছত he went to the peacocks. সি পিককৰ কাষলৈ গ'ল, মানে ময়ূৰ চৰাইবিলাকৰ ওচৰত গ'ল. The peacocks were dancing. সেই ময়ূৰবিলাকে কি কৰিছিলে? ডান্সিং কৰিছিল, নৃত্য কৰিছিলে, মানে নাচি আছিল. He started dancing with them. সিও কি কৰিলে? সেই ময়ূৰৰ লগত গৈ নাচিব ধৰিলে. Soon, অতি সোনকালে the colorful feathers began to fall one by one from his wings. অতি সোনকালে কি কৰিলে? যেতিয়া নাচিব দিছিলে কাউৰীজনীয়ে, তেতিয়া তাৰ ৰং বিৰঙৰ যিখিনি পাখি পিন্ধিছিল সেইখিনি কি কৰিলে? এটা এটাকৈ খহি পৰিল তাৰ ডেউকাৰ পৰা. উইংছ মানে ডেউকা, টেইল নেজৰ পৰা আৰু মূৰৰ পৰা. The peacocks came to know that he was a crow. তেতিয়া সেই ময়ূৰবিলাকে গম পালে যে এইটো এটা কাউৰী, নট এ পিকক, এইটো ময়ূৰ নহয়. The crow felt guilty and flew away. তেতিয়া কাউৰীজনী অপৰাধী বোধ কৰিলে, তেওঁ মানে দুখী বুলি নিজকে লাগিলে আৰু তাৰ পৰা গুচি আহিলে. My dear children, let us read the paragraph again. He also put a few feathers on his head. He thought he looked like a peacock. Then he went to the peacocks. The peacocks were dancing. He started dancing with them. Soon, the colorful feathers began to fall one by one from his wings, tail, and head. The peacocks came to know that he was a crow, not a peacock. The crow felt guilty and flew away. You see here written short words. Short word. One মানে এটা বা এখন. Some কিছুমান. Few কিছুমান. Near কাষত. Near. New words. Colorful ৰং বিৰঙৰ. Happy আনন্দিত বা. Feathers পাখি. Guilty অপৰাধী. My dear children, next video 20 পেজত থকা এই পাৰ্টটোৰ ওপৰত থকা প্ৰশ্নোত্তৰবিলাক আমি কৰিম. যেনেকৈ প্ৰথমটো আছিলে Where did the crow sleep? তাৰমানে কাউৰীবিলাক ক'ত বসবাস কৰিছিল? The big tree ওচৰত. আমি উত্তৰবিলাক নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত শিকিম. Thank you so much.